Hello everyone, welcome back to Spara YouTube channel. You know guys that alternatively known as a device file or special file. A device name is an identification that is given to the physical hardware device assigned by the operating system. And a device name provides an interface to peripheral device such as parallel and serial port or access to a disk partition. So now I'm gonna show you how to change device name on Infinix GT10 Pro easily. Alright, first thing first, go to settings menu and then you can go to my phone over here. You can tap and then go to device name. So here you can change the device name whatever you want. Alright, and I will change my name. And if you are done, click OK. So your device name will change. And here's the tutorial on how to change your device name on Infinix GT10 Pro. And thank you so much for watching.